this question asks us to predict whether the combustion of butane or cyclobutane is going to be a more exothermic process. Both are exothermic. Combustion of alkanes is downhill, negative delta H. But which one is going to be more downhill, a larger delta H, butane or cyclobutane? They're both 4-carbon compounds, so that's not the difference here. The difference is the acyclic butane versus the cyclic cyclobutane. Cyclobutane is a small strained ring. The difference is going to be where they start in energy as a starting material. They both end with carbon dioxide and water, so they both end at the same place. The only difference is going to be the difference in the starting energies. We look at butane. Butane, I'm just going to give an arbitrary energy value here for butane. Cyclobutane, though, is a small strained ring. It's strained. It's going to be higher in energy, less stable than acyclic butane. So cyclobutane will start higher in energy. When we complete these energy diagrams then, both reactions are downhill. Both reactions have negative delta H. The reaction for acyclic butane has a smaller delta H value, and the reaction for cyclic cyclobutane has a larger delta H value. The larger delta H value for cyclobutane tells us that cyclobutane, the combustion of cyclobutane, will be more exothermic than the combustion of acyclic butane.